can see the camera when you first open your gun is still attached. We're going to go ahead and move in with a small little screwdriver and gently press up on the tab. It should go up about 45 degrees like that. Now we're going to come in and take the camera out, and you have to remember it's a ribbon cable, so be really gentle when you're taking it out so it doesn't break. Place it over there, and we got the new camera. The OEM part is the original part you're buying from us. And make sure you take the camera lens cover off before you put it in. You'll see the ribbon cable needs to be pressed because it's flat when you first get it, so you bend it a little bit. You're going to line it up and make sure you put it over the brown clamp. It goes on top of the brown clamp when you're going in. You see he's pushing gently back on the ribbon cable as he gently pushes it down, and now he's going to close it up, pressing gently on the tabs. Parts in. Now we're going to show you the other side. Make sure your camera lens, which is probably on the other piece of the gun, gets put in on this side. You may have missed something else, like that part. Goes on this side of the gun, and then you're ready to put it back together. It's that simple.